Introducing Birch Chaga Truffles, the ultimate natural superfood packed with antioxidants and powerful health benefits. Derived from the birch tree and infused with the medicinal properties of chaga mushrooms, these truffles are a true gift from nature. With their rich, earthy flavor and velvety texture, Birch Chaga Truffles are a delight for the taste buds and a healthy snack option. Say goodbye to synthetic supplements and hello to the healing power of nature with Birch Chaga Truffles. Boost your immune system with the potent blend of antioxidants found in every bite of Birch Chaga Truffles. Promote healthy digestion and gut health with the prebiotic and probiotic properties of chaga mushrooms. These truffles are a potent source of essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, providing nourishment to your body. Fuel your day with sustained energy and mental clarity, thanks to the natural stimulants present in Birch Chaga Truffles. Experience a natural detoxification process as the truffles help eliminate toxins from your body. Enhance your skincare routine with the anti-inflammatory properties of Birch Chaga Truffles, promoting a healthy and glowing complexion. Experience the remarkable health benefits and incredible taste of Birch Chaga Truffles, and embrace nature's healing power. Click the link below and order your supply now. Also, please do me a huge favor by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. May God bless you with great health and wealth always.